It's always been a good experience to come to Ear and Hearing for my hearing, and I've been coming with my husband Ian, and we always get very good professional treatment and very good following up. They take very good care of you, and the receptionists are lovely and welcoming. If you're thinking about getting hearing aids, I'd advise you to come to Ear and Hearing and get to see Mo and just enjoy the experience. I love my hearing aids. I'm in Probus clubs and I go to interest groups and I can join in conversations now, and I'm very happy to be able to do that, because before I was getting isolated. Very happy to have them. If you're worried about your hearing and you think you might need a hearing aid, I advise you to get them straight away. Go to an audiologist and get some hearing aids now, because they will improve your quality of life like they did with mine. I can tell you can't see them. There's nothing you can see, and if your hair's a bit longer than mine, you'll probably hide them better.